good morning and welcome down to West Lancashire Golf Club, and it is absolutely freezing for the last money match here of 2019, and I am playing with a very special guest today, a professional golfer of great renown, a ball striker extraordinaire. It is Mr. James Rooney. How you doing, mate? You good?
I'm good, how are you?
I am absolutely freezing, mate. How are you?
Cold.
It's about 2 or 3 degrees. You can hear that it's windy and it's blowing very, very windily. We're going to have an 18-hole match here. If you've not watched the money matches so far this year, it's 18-hole stroke play for a fiver, and that fiver will be going straight on coffee and soup afterwards. This is a very well ordered bag. You can tell you're going to be on camera today. Oh, you brought your mitts. I'll introduce you all to James as we go around. But let's tee off. Oh, let's see where we go. So if you don't recognise this place, West Lancs, this is where open qualifying was this year, and someone in this 2-ball made it through open qualifying. And if you're familiar with my videos, you know it wasn't me. What did you shoot in there? Was it 4 under or 3 under?
3. I was 5 under at one point and then wanted to get to 7.
And then ended up at 3.
And I ended up at 3.
What do you think a good score today would be? 6 over?
I'm going to go for 2 under.
I'm not going to go for 2 under. I'm going to go for a comfortable, solid, I think 4 over today will be a good score. I think any day where you can't feel your hands, 4 over is a good score. Worst thing about it, I forgot my mitts, and this is my camera hand. Look, kind of blue and purple already.
Always come prepared.
Yeah. Again, if you watch the channel for any amount of time, you'll know that I'm not very prepared at all. Seventh hole, 168, and currently James is beating me by, I think it's about 3 or 4 shots. I'll have to count it up. It's been a tough school here back at West Lancs. What? Eventful is the right word. 176 off a tee that the R&A won't even use for open qualifying because it's too hard. Come over and show me that 2-iron, bud. So what are you saying, this is the only one in existence?
Yeah, made just for me. Me and Gary Woodland.
So you and Gary Woodland are the only people with that?
Yeah.
Is that a fact? Is that a fact? Can I actually take this to YouTube and I'm not going to get called up on it?
Possibly, possibly not. We'll just have to wait and see.
Are you telling the truth about this course record?
Yeah, there is a picture inside of it.
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Yeah.
I'm not going to go in there and not find this picture.
No, there'll be a picture of me stood there with the trophy like.
Is he? Yeah, he wasn't lying. No. Back when he was young and innocent.
Yeah, well, I think he was 5 behind after 3 rounds and won by 5.
Oh no, he pinned me down and told me all about it.
Oh, did he?
Here's the thing I love about links golf, even this time of year. I mean, it's been absolutely smashing it down in the northwest of England at the moment, but even with that, even though it's freezing, even though it's windy, probably the windiest I've played here actually, it's such good nick and so fun to play. Yeah, on a day like today with the wind like it is, it's such a hard course this, and the rough really hasn't died down as it gets into the winter, so normally you'd kind of expect it to be a little bit wispier, but it's still so thick. We're not a birdie one birdie so far on the second that I had, and apart from that, a couple of lost balls. I'm pretty sure I'm 5 or 6 over. 600 yards off this back tee. Is that about right?
Yeah.
Longest drive?
Yeah.
This is the actual, like, the main prize of today. Oh, hold on, it's got to be on the fairway. I'm going to go back for my 6 iron. Oh, that'll do. That's helped his line well. So while we're in the shed, the echoey shed, that might as well take us through your course record, mate. Shot by shot, hole by hole. Can you remember anything?
I can. So it was the English and Welsh Universities Championship.
You went to uni?
Yeah, Edgehill, sports science degree, somehow passed. So I was 7 behind, birdied the first 3 holes.
Nice.
Lipped out on the 4th, birdied 5, should have birdied 6, birdied 7, easy par on 8, should have birdied 9, got a bit excited. Had to go and calm down, hit it close on 10, waved to the crowd, even though there was nobody there.
But not a physical wave.
Yeah, and playing partner saw me, thought, what are you doing? Glorious, high 6 iron to this back left pin, probably about 4 feet. Had 2 practice swings as I set up to the ball. I thought, if you hold this, you're going to shoot 59. Blipped out. 18, rolled in a 15 footer for a birdie to shoot 63 and win by 6.
Just like that?
Yeah, so that was it, and then rest was history really. Now I'm on the wall and I don't think anyone's going to take me off.
Not today.
Touch wood.
3 holes to go, and there's 3 shots in it somehow. And we've got a par 5, par 3, par 4. This one's 528, but it is literally straight back into wind. In fact, these last 3 holes are straight back into wind, so this could be interesting. However, I have the advantage on the Stinger driver
At the moment,
and I think I'm going to have to hit that
I'm going to
3 times.
aim this as far left as possible.
Yeah, don't go right. Has it died down the rough on the left though, because it was pretty thick last time? Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! It's the most unlinksy shot I've ever seen in my life. Are you sure it was here you had the course record? I think it was Rob. I think it would have been Rob Potter. Just talking about Rick's hole in one on this hole during open qualifying, and Rob Potter belly flopping off the tee. But Mr. Rooney stays calm. Alright, here it is, last 5 of the year, and it is going to my esteemed opponent. Congratulations, mate. I think you should be very happy with yourself.
I played exquisitely. Golf was the real winner out there.
Golf was. Golf, and I think the course was probably the real winner out there. Ed, I've got a question. We've got an argument about where West Lancashire is ranked in the top 100. I said it was like 79, and I can see there that it says 78.
That's
But
from 2006.
apparently it's been updated.
Yeah.
What is it now?
4th.
Oh, look, it's 79 there.
Yeah,
So-
that's from
Yeah, no,
2000.
it's changed.
So that was 79.
It's around about that anyway.
It's around about 40. It's 44.
78.
That's what I was.
I don't think it's 44.
That's what I was told.
James, listen,
No.
I love it here, but
Right,
I'm not
gonna-
willing to lie.
Okay, that's UK though. This is England, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is England. Is on
You
about
said
not UK.
England.
I said UK.
You said England.
Okay, I'm going to go. Alright, 60.
What are you going for?
No, it was. I saw it the other day. It's like 40 something.
41st.
41st in England. I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes down the Christmas draw. Ed, what I do want to know is why you're number 18. You're ranked just above a dozen TaylorMade TP5 golf balls. You're 2 above a TaylorMade towel. You're basically 2 better than a towel right now. How's that make you feel?
No, a bit upset.
To make you feel great about yourself.
No.
You do want to get involved? Is this for members only?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't get involved, but sounds good.
Number 18 is the best one. Remember that.
Okay, remember. Well, it's official. I've properly turned into a fair weather golfer. I'm going to head back now and kind of have a bit of a sum up of this and the money matches generally throughout this year. James, such good company. Make sure you go over to Instagram, give him a follow. The wind and the cold and West Lancs is a really big leveler. Right, heading home. Let's have a bit of a review of this this series and see if it's going to be carry on next year. Okay, that's it. The money matches are over for 2019. And did they work out as I would have wanted to? I'm not sure. Probably not. So one of the whole points of this was that playing under that little bit of pressure would get me ready for the Quest for the Open videos and obviously the Quest for the Open. But what they ended up being, the money matches this year, is almost trying to capture everything really well on film and not actually being so much about the match. Perfect example is the one at West Lancs I've just played against James, and the fact that we got round walking in under 4 hours. Now, whilst filming, that is absolutely lightning pace because you've got to stop, film everything, try and get a load of B-roll, and when you're playing in regulation place, when there's other golfers there, it becomes really difficult. The timing of it becomes more and more important. So you end up focusing more on the filming than actually on the playing, which it's just is the way it is. You know, we're making these videos if I wasn't concentrating on the filming, but that will obviously affect the golf. I think this year I've played in 6 money matches. I've released 5 of them. So one that I did at Crossland Heath. The wind and the conditions were just, the video looked rubbish. So I didn't release that one, but I did one against Lucas Herbert, so European Tour Professional. That was really good. And oddly enough, that's when Carly came along to do the filming. So, you know, maybe there's a bit of a correlation there. But if I am going to carry them on next year, they do need to take maybe a little bit of a different form. And I'll have a think about that because I do enjoy making them and I enjoy getting out to meet you guys. It doesn't happen often enough, and every time that I post about the money matches, I get loads of responses, loads of offers. So I do want to keep on doing it. It gets me out to new places, meeting new people. Just want to say a big thank you to West Lancs for having me down. Absolutely love that course. It's such a tough, fair test of golf. You know, you're not going to get any crazy bounces that you do at some links courses. But if you hit a bad shot, you're going to get punished. If you hit a good shot, you're going to get rewarded. So for me, it's a pure test of links golf. I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching. And if you are new here or you are a returning viewer, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And that bell icon as well. Please like the video and feel free to hop down into those comments as well and let me know what you think. Right, guys, that is it. All done. Oh, ow, did you hear that?